और माली हमें काफी चिल्लाता था, हमारी कंप्लेन करता था पापा को जाके कि Hi guys, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be August favorite video, but with a twist. These are my secret favorite products for the month of August. Things that I have been loving but I never really showed, talked about in my channel, on my videos and not even on Instagram. So yes, इस वीडियो में काफी random इधर उधर की चीजें होने वाली हैं. So I really hope that you will enjoy watching this video, and if you will, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. For that, I know I said it before even starting the video, but चलो कह दिया तो कह दिया, चलो शुरू करते हैं. So I'm gonna go in a very random order. First favorite item, secret favorite item for the month of August is my wallet. This is my brand new wallet by the brand Caprese. I got this in the month of August from Myntra, and before this I was using the brand Love by Westside, and I got that in the month of January. काफी यूज कर लिया, 7 महीने से यूज कर रही थी, and it was tearing apart. यहाँ से फटने लगा था वो वाला wallet. So I changed my wallet into this. That was black color wallet, and this is tan color or brown color wallet. I really like tan, black, you know, bottle green colors. They are very smart colors and they go with everything, and I really like the pattern of this wallet. इससे पहले जो wallet यूज करी थी, that is Love by the brand Westside, same pattern का है ये. ठीक है, इसको यहाँ से ऐसे ओपन करना रहता है, and it's a 3-fold wallet. I keep all my bills and important papers in here. All my cards are in here. Money यहाँ पे एक chain भी है जहाँ पे आप coins रख सकते हो, and I do have some money. $100 are there. It's not too big. It's a medium size wallet, so that's why I like it. This size fits in all my go-to bag. Next secret favorite item that I have, I should just stop saying secret favorite. Anyway, this is Wow Skin Science hand cream. This is one of their new launches. No, this was not sent to me in a PR. I bought this from my own money from Amazon. These are available on Flipkart or I think Snapdeal also. I will provide links to everything in the description below. Make sure you check it out. So this is their English Rose, no paraben, no silicone, no mineral oil, color and peachy hand cream. This one has rose water plus hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid has the property to retain moisture, and it can keep your skin hydrated for a longer period of time. So if you're somebody who suffer through chapped, rough and dry skin, hand cream is something that you can keep in your go-to bags. What I really like about this product is the smell of it. It smells like roses, जैसे गुलाब फूलों का बगान हो, and I'm sitting there, I'm reading my book, I'm having a peaceful mind. That's how it smells. It reminds me of my बचपन. मेरे डैड के ऑफिस के बाहर फूलों का बगान हुआ करता था, एंड माई सिस्टर, माई ब्रदर एंड आई यूज्ड टू गो देयर, एंड हम लोग चुपके से फूल तोड़ा करते थे, और माली हमें काफी चिल्लाता था, हमारी कंप्लेन करता था पापा को जाके कि सर आपके बच्चे फूल तोड़ रहे. So yeah, it brings back lot of memory. This is 40 ml of product, and this was pretty inexpensive also. The price for this is 199 rupees. This one comes with 2 years of expiry date, and I got this for 20 rupees off or something like that from Amazon. They were running some sort of offer. So it's a very cute, small, little compact hand cream. It fits in all my go-to bags. So this comes in I think 3 different fragrances, and I just read the term rose and I ordered this. So इसको यूज करने का भी एक तरीका है. इसको आपको ऊपर से ओपन करना है, ठीक है, ऐसे ओपन नहीं करना है, ऊपर से ओपन करना है, वरना बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट निकल आता है. If you're a fan of roses, then you will definitely love it. I'm gonna apply some. It smells so good. So yeah, पिछले महीने मैंने Wow Skin Science के ज़्यादा products try नहीं किए, even though this is one of my favorite brands. Not everything from this brand suits my hair type and skin type, but whatever I like, I always talk about it. Now next item is a lipstick. This is Lakme Absolute Melt Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Red Smoke. This is what I'm wearing on my lips. It has a beautiful formula, and that's why I like this lipstick, and also the color is very unique and different. It is a muted rusty orange red color, and I also like the wand of this. It has doe foot applicator. It is pretty easy to line your lips with this wand and then fill in your lips with this. It is a long lasting matte lipstick but comfortable formula है इसका, and very lightweight it is. Let me swatch it. Can you see that? And pigmentation is also very good for this lipstick. Next favorite item is a candle, and guess the fragrance for this one. This is the Rose fragrance candle. Whenever I feel sad or whenever I feel not doing anything and I just want to read a magazine, read a book, read an article, even if I'm making my bed, even if I'm editing, I light up a candle and then I do my work. It kind of calms me down and also sort of helps with my focus also. So I've been lighting candles whenever I'm feeling super stressed, and it truly helps. So it smells so good, and I got this from 99 store Bhopal. It was pretty affordable. It is priced at rupees 149. बहुत टाइम पहले खरीदा था, कुछ 3 या 4 महीने पहले, and कभी लाइट नहीं किया, and recently in the month of August I started lighting this and I've been loving this. Next favorite item that I have for you are razors. These are facial razors. You can also shave your eyebrows and give them shape with the help of this razor. Now I've tried so many different brand razors. I keep on trying to find a good quality razor that can be used on skin because I do like to shave my face. I have PCOD, I have acne prone skin, and I do get a lot of facial hair because of my condition, that is PCOD. So I had to shave my face every third day. So I was looking for good quality razor that I can use and reuse, you know. So one razor is something that I can use for 6 to 7 times, then I have to throw it away. So ये पूरे पैकेट में आता है. I think 6 razors आते हैं इसके. ये कैप के साथ भी आता है. After using the razor you can clean it up and reuse it again. And blades are not that sharp. It has that zigzag pattern which I look for in razor, and you should also look for in razors. उससे आपको कट नहीं होगा. Don't buy those blade shape के razors. If you are not used to shaving your face, then you might cut yourself using those kind of razor. Next favorite item is from the category food, and this is Pintola almond butter. I've tried this brand's peanut butter, their crunchy and creamy one, and I like them both. I've mentioned about them like 1 or twice, but this is something that I was blown away by, and it tastes so good. You can definitely go overboard with this, so you have to be very conscious that how many spoons that you are taking in a day. And इसका जो nutritional value है वो भी काफी अच्छा है. Per serving, that is 32 gram, contains 186 calorie, protein is 8 gram, total carbohydrate is 7 gram, dietary fiber is 4 gram, total sugar is 1 gram, additional sugar is 0, and total fat is 16. And let me show you, पूरा खत्म हो चुका है ये, and it's a good quality natural almond butter. Definitely you can make almond butter and peanut butter घर पे ही if you know the process. So there are multiple ways you can use almond butter, peanut butter, any sort of butter. You can prepare dressing for your salad. You can also use them for bread spread, and sometimes I will just take 1 spoon of this almond butter and my chila for evening snack. Now for clothing favorite, I have Forever 21 high-waisted jeans. This is what the jeans look like, and this was a gift for my birthday, and I was looking for high-waisted jeans for quite a while now, and जो भी मैं jeans try करती हूँ that doesn't fit me well and it doesn't complement my body type well, and this does all that. It is not tight or loose, and I can definitely walk with this jeans on, and it is a pretty lightweight jeans. ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रखा. It's a very basic, a little bit of washed jeans. यहाँ पे थोड़ा washy सा nature है इसका, and you should always look for jeans जहाँ पे ये wash pattern दिया हो. Otherwise it looks very plain and black. And I've been wearing this a lot. I think अभी तक धोया भी नहीं है जब से इसको पहनना शुरू किया मैंने. So it's dirty. Next item are this shoes, slip-ons by the brand Bata. This is from their Comfit collection. So Bata ने recently एक range launch किया है Comfit, जिसमें काफी affordable price में आपको अच्छे quality के जूते मिल जाएंगे. And I was really not expecting this from Bata. I always knew that Bata makes comfortable shoes, but sometimes they could be pricey. And this was only for 799 rupees. I really like the color of this and the pattern of this. It has toe pattern to it, so I have very big pair shoes. मुझ पे अच्छे नहीं लगते ऐसे toe वाले, but this was looking good. And most of the time when the outfit is very basic and plain, shoes can jazz up the outfit. I'm talking about Indian and Western outfit both. Next I have jewelry category. I have 2 earrings and 1 necklace. First I have this dainty earrings that I got from Hill Road Market, Bandra. I do have a video regarding it when I did 1000 rupees outfit challenge. I paid 100 rupees for them, and the quality is super amazing. मैं इसको बाहर भी रख चुकी हूँ, ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं हुआ है ये बिल्कुल भी. It goes with Western and Indian outfit both. These are very lightweight, and when light hits them now it reflects. Can you see that? Next earrings are this very unique looking earrings which has ghungro in here. These are very lightweight and the pattern is so beautiful for this one. I paid 120 rupees for this, and I got this from Colaba Causeway, Mumbai mein. I do have a vlog, Sunday vlog regarding it. So this is something that really cannot go with everything, but these are statement earrings. This will jazz up simple looking outfit. Next favorite jewelry is this necklace. It is a gift from my sister for my birthday. She got this from Myntra, and this is by the brand Infuse, and it is very comfortable to wear. You can wear this as a choker or a short necklace. That also looks good, and this will definitely oxidize because this is gold oxidized necklace, so you have to be very careful where you are keeping it. I like to keep it in the box it came in. So इस पॉलिथीन में आया था तो उसके अंदर, and उसके बाद इस बॉक्स के अंदर. And now for media category, that is TV series serial, TV shows. I have not really watched anything, to be very honest, but whenever I got time and whenever I get time, I have been watching and listening to Hasan Minhaj Pet Right Act. It is available on Netflix and it is also available on YouTube. And what I really like about Pet Right Act by Hasan and his entire team, what they are doing is that they pick up topic and category which are unheard category and they do their research on that and then they talk about it, but in a different comic way.
Now look, I've already been banned in one country, so I was thinking, let's talk about something a little less controversial. China. But just like Nazis and high-waisted jeans, deforestation is making a comeback.
Yes, his videos are amazing. He's doing this for awareness and he's raising questions also. Ki, this is what is happening in the world, guys. What do you think about it? That was the video for today. Now coming to giveaway, there's going to be one winner for the giveaway that I will choose from YouTube. So let me show you the prize that you will win. You will win two things. First is this hand cream by Wow Skin Science. This is their English Rose one. Second is this lipstick. This is Lakme Absolute Melt Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Smoke. I will definitely purchase new one and I will send them through Amazon. So don't worry, these are the used ones. These are mine. And rules are pretty simple. You have to be a subscriber of my channel. So अगर आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, subscribe right now and like and share this video. Secondly, use the hashtag giveaway with Shalini and tell me 2 favorite things for the month of August that you like. It could be anything, any favorite product, TV series, serial, music, anything, any book also that you loved and liked. I will announce the giveaway winner next week on all of my social media. So stay tuned. Follow me on my social media. Like, comment, share this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.